right now we're in the... Hey guys! So right now we're at the gas station getting gas with Miranda. And Joshua's on the phone. Say hi, Joshua.
It's so cool. I can't wait to be in the vlog.
Okay, so we got Starbucks. I got a pink drink.
And I got a strawberry salad.
What'd you get, Miranda? Did you get
A grande pink drink with chocolate cocoa.
She got a grande pink drink with chocolate cocoa.
We're heading to
Alaya High School?
in like
Chino, yeah. We'll see you guys. We're stuck.
No. There's the last. A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we're at Ayala High School and
we're gonna get
food
right now, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just used the bathroom.
And oh my god, I'm so glad. I literally had to pee so bad.
Yeah.
But now
I don't know where other people are, but
most of our team is here though.
hear me out a bit.
Okay, we're gonna see what food we're gonna get. Hey guys, so we're almost the whole team's here and we're unloading the pups now.
So exciting. Woohoo.
Are you guys excited?
Yes. I am. But I need to pee really bad.
Oh, we peed before on the bathroom's over there in the corner. But not a lot of people are there. Anyways, we're gonna go unload the truck. Bye. Guys, me and Gia, right now we're gonna pixie stick emeralds.
Oh, I found the story. Another CS, guys. Wait, where's Caitlin's bag?
Gia.
I don't know where her bag is.
Just pick a random bag. Is it this one?
Where?
Oh, that's Kathleen.
That's
Tessa.
the one. Wait, which one's Captain?
Reese is captain.
Where is Reese? Oh, they're coming back.
We'll just give it to her.
No, it has to be like hidden.
Just give one to Elizabeth. So we just finished our performance. How'd you guys do?
Super duper good. That was so good. Energy amazing.
Oh, good?
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
I give it a hundy. Hundy.
You, Mia?
A 7. Oh.
I did good. I just almost fell in my costume. I literally like slipped. Like I was like that. Like you know when you almost slip and then
she stuck
I
her
messed
butt
up.
out.
Oh, I stuck
Yeah.
my butt out setting my stuff.
Yes. I wonder if they saw your children.
2,000 years later.
Maybe polka dot.
No white.
Good job. She said no white.
Yeah, but we'll see you guys when we're inside. Or helping Emerald. Yeah. Hey guys, it's me and Danny and we're watching shows before helping Emerald and her male child. Right now we're watching Winter Rush shows and we just watched Bro, that was good. You notice how orange it is here? Anyways, we'll see you guys when we're helping Emerald. Right now we're excited to watch them. They're so good. Every time they eat, every time. Okay, we'll see you guys in the gym. So right now, Sierra lost her car keys, and we're literally being so nosy. We're literally driving up there just to watch. Let's go. We literally have the windows open for both sides.
Also, guys, we placed
Third!
and then for like our category, and then we placed 4th overall. So
Wait, which one's your car? Was it that little?
That little, yeah, green one.
Oh, I think they're in there.
Are they?
Yeah, they're inside the car.
Maybe it was unlocked this whole time.
Oh, wait.
Well, ask. Let's ask in the group chat, Miranda.
Yeah, look at see. They're inside.
Oh, so we were nosy for no reason? I wanted action! So we're getting Jack in the Box. Again, I think I might get churros and strawberry lemonade. Yeah. So excited. We're looking for the restroom because we literally need to pee. We're at a gas station right now. Miranda is toilet. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use the restroom now. Hey guys, so my camera died, but we're at the gas station right now.
we had to use the bathroom.
We had to use it really bad.
But once we get to the car, we're gonna do a taste
Test with our Jack in the Box desserts and our strawberry lemonades. Yeah. But right now we're waiting for Miranda. So she's in the bathroom.
Like, I'm so ready to sleep in the car, guys.
But we got third place. I'm just so really happy about that.
Yeah, we got 3rd place and we got 4th overall.
Overall. I think
That's
third place is really good for us right now.
Yeah, we finally.
We worked really hard this week, and it's really paying off.
Yeah. There was some things that we could do better, but
Overall,
obviously,
yeah, like this was a good run, but we can be even stronger. Anyways,
can't wait for that.
Miranda's coming out. Oh, girl. Yeah, but this is Miranda. Okay, we're going in the car. Okay, guys, so we're gonna taste test this chocolate cake.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's good. And it's cold. I thought it'd be warm. Okay, overall, right? I really like it 7 out of 10 because it's really chocolatey.
I say 7.5.
Yeah, okay. And then my churros.
It's really moist.
My churros ready. And we're gonna taste test which with just like that and then one with chocolate fudge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. They look good. They're really crunchy though. What do you rate it?
Like a 5 or 6. It feels like uncooked in the middle.
I really like it. I give it like a 9 out of 10.
But I don't like it.
Anyways, now we're gonna try strawberry lemonades. We'll wait. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I like this. I love it. 10 out of 10. Anyways, well, that's the end of the vlog, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next vlog, which is Palm Desert. Woo! I'm so excited. Be prepared, guys. We upload every Tuesday or every 2-week Tuesday. Yeah. So thank you for watching.